Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really pretty brown, soft, smoky, everyday look. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. So we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette because this has just got all the colors we need, and if you want one palette, here's your palette. Um, okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade Basic, and we're going to put this in our crease. This is going to be our transition color. And I recommend if you are fair skinned like me, go in with a light hand at first because it's kind of pigmented. So I just wanted a soft wash of this color. Now going in with Necessary, I'm going to put this also in the crease. And we're using this to help give it a little bit more definition and a little bit more of a depth. So we can smoke out the look and have like a base, you know what I mean? And then we're going to go in with Churro. Churro is such a pretty color, but I'm going to focus this with a flat, fluffy shader brush on my lash line. And we're going to put this on the lid, but I focus it on the lash line because it's kind of a safeguard for you in a way to make sure that you don't accidentally do this too harshly, because as you can see, I'm just blending this out and softening it out to the edges and to the crease because I want this all to look like a smooth, soft transition. So this is what helps me prevent myself from being too harsh with my eyeshadow. Now going with a blender brush, I'm going to use the same shade and add just the tiniest amount in my crease so it kind of unites the transition shades to the lid shade, so it all kind of just looks like one really soft transition. Can I say that one more time? Oh my goodness. Okay, but basically just do that and soften it out and blend it out, smoke it out to the way you like. And then I'm going back in with Necessary because I kind of did go a little heavy-handed with this. So for me personally, I'm going back in to bring back the original shades in my transition. But you don't have to do this, but if you kind of went a little heavy-handed like me, this is a really good way of basically fixing it. Now I'm going to go back in with Churro on the lid because since we did smoke it out, we lost a little bit of the opacity, so that is why you see me going back in with this. But if you like it the way it was, you totally don't have to do this. Now I'm going to go in with Jeans because with this shade I'm going to give myself a little more definition in the eye look. So using this really small blender brush, I'm going in really small circles and just kind of feathering it out because I don't want this to go too crazy everywhere, you know, because this is a daytime smoky look, so I don't want it too dark. But I'm doing this to help give the eye a little bit more of a 3D dimension to it rather than just a flat matte look. You get what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so after that, I am going in with a blender brush with no product on it, okay? And I'm just using this to help soften out the edges because that's my key here, is to be real smooth. Now going in with Just a Kiss, this is going to be the shimmer shade I put on my lid. I'm going on the inner half of my eyelid. You don't have to do this if you want to keep it all matte, but I do recommend doing this before you put your foundation on because this stuff has a lot of fallout. So if you're going to use the shimmer shade with this look like I did, definitely do your makeup before your face makeup. Does that make sense? Okay, now going in with Jeans again, I'm bringing that back because I wanted a little more definition on the outer portions of my eyes and I felt like it got a little lost, so that's why I'm going back in with this. A lot of this is just basically making it look all melted and soft together, so that's why I'm going in with all the colors again and softening it out again. And then now we can do the brows, okay? So moving on to brows, I'm just using a Wet n Wild brow pencil to achieve kind of a soft, defined brow because I kind of want to do more of a fluffy soft brow with this look because you know it's a soft smoky look. You see where my vision is, maybe not, I don't know. That's kind of what I'm going for. Okay, now I'm just going to contour and bronze my face with the LA Colors contour shade in Tan. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a blush. This is by Note Cosmetics. I got it in a BoxyCharm. And it's basically like an orangey coral shade. And I'm just lightly dusting this over my face to kind of give me back some life. And then I'm going to use some brow mascara to fluff out my eyebrows and give it that, you know, texture. And then I'm using my Omrizi highlighter to give my face some glow. And then I'm going to go in with this brown lip liner by NYX to line my lips, obviously, because I'm going to go in with this Smashbox lipstick. I believe it's called Dirty because or something, I can't remember, but it's just a really pretty satin brown. And then I'm going to go in with this lipstick that's also a lighter brown to help give an ombre look and, you know, make my lips look a little bigger and juicier. You know what I mean? We all want juicy lips, right? And then I'm going to go in with my Kush mascara, and that is literally it. Okay, that's all it took. I promise you this isn't a hard look at all. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this look. And if you did, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. I had a lot of fun making this video for you, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!